Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappinkaty.ctmh.com, and I have been using our wonderful shimmer brushes in several of my videos, but for this particular video I am going to attempt to stamp with it. Now that's at the very end of the video, so you'll have to hang around to see how it turned out, but I am participating in a blog hop, and it's a technique driven blog hop featuring our wonderful shimmer brushes. So for this card, I have pulled out the PML cards that go along with the Aurora line. Now, PML just means that it's pocket scrapbooking, and it's what Close to My Heart uses for pocket scrapbooking. And each little package of PML cards comes with 4x6 and 3x4. So I've just gone through those and I've chosen this 4x6 one. Now this is a standard size card, so I'm going to trim that down to 5 1/4 and then just use tape adhesive to adhere that down to my card base, leaving a little bit of a white edge around, and I love that look. So for the focal piece of this card, I'm going to pull out the June 2020 stamp of the month, and there's already a pre-stamped tag that I did. And I'm just going to add some 3D foam adhesive and adhere it directly to that card front. I pulled out my clear shimmer brush. I'm just going to add some shimmer to that dragonfly's wings. Now I did color in this dragonfly using our wonderful tri-blend markers. And then now I am going to take a wooden button from the Stitch Together line to put right over that tie of the tag. Now I love these wooden buttons mainly because they're just so cute and they're buttons, but I also love them because I love that a lot of Close to My Heart products can be used with other lines as well. So I've picked my 2-hole wooden button, and I'm just going to punch out that other little wooden piece, and then I'm going to take our sapphire shimmer brush. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit, and then I'm going to use that to color in this wooden button. So as you can see, I'm just going to color in, and you really can't see the shimmer here, but you will be able to see it in the still shots at the end of this video. And then you'll be able to see that some of the sapphire gets on my fingers, but not a whole lot. This wooden button really soaked up that shimmer, which was good, so it meant that it dried pretty quickly. So I just went around the edges of that button, and then I'm going to pull from my stash some hemp. And then I'm just going to feed it through those 2 buttonholes. So if you are a follower of mine, like I said, you have seen me use our shimmer brushes. I love to use them as splatter. And then I also like to just color in images like I did that dragonfly. But what I wanted to use for this technique blog hop, and I'll leave a link to my blog post down in the description below. You'll have to expand the description, and then you can click on it and go check out everybody who participated. But what I decided to do for the technique on this card is use it to actually stamp an image on the inside of the card. Not ink the image up in ink and then color over it with the shimmer brush, but actually use the shimmer brush as the color. So I've picked another image from that June 2020 stamp of the month, and I am just taking my mint shimmer brush and just coloring all over the image, much like you would if you had markers that were meant to color images or the ink pad. Now I did get that shimmer brush just a little bit too much, so I'm just dabbing it with a paper towel, and then I just used it to stamp it down, and I'm going to add some paint splatters right there. And then that pretty much is the card. Now it did give it more of a watercolor look than what I really wanted, but I love the shine to this card. Here are some still shots, and again, make sure you check out my blog post as well as the other consultants who participated. And as always, if you liked what you saw, please consider leaving me a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications.